Have you ever looked at Makita's lineup on Amazon and wondered which tools are actually worth your money? In this video, I'm counting down 10 new Makita tools that deliver serious performance, smart features, and real value for both DIYers and professionals. Make sure to watch until the end, because my top pick might surprise you. And if you enjoy discovering the best tools in tech, hit subscribe, leave a comment with your favorite Makita tool, and let's get started. Brushless Drill Driver. A bulky drill can make even simple jobs feel harder than they should. The Makita XFD13Z. Brushless Drill Driver is built to deliver serious performance in a compact, easy-to-handle design. Measuring just 6 5/8 inches long, it's perfect for working in tight spaces without sacrificing power. Its brushless motor produces up to 440 inch-pounds of torque, while the 2-speed transmission reaches 1,900 revolutions per minute, making it ideal for drilling and driving screws into wood, metal, and other materials. Dual LED work lights improve visibility in dark work areas, and Extreme Protection Technology, XPT, helps the tool perform reliably in dusty and challenging conditions. If you already own Makita's 18-volt LXT battery system, this tool-only model costs around $95, making it one of the best value upgrades for any workshop. It's compact, powerful, and ready for everyday jobs. Cordless Inflator. A flat tire can ruin your day, but the Makita DMP180Z Cordless Inflator makes getting back on the road quick and easy. It's compact, portable, and powerful enough for car tires, bike tires, sports balls, and other inflatables. The built-in digital pressure gauge lets you set your desired pressure, and the inflator automatically stops once it's reached, helping prevent overinflation. It also features a bright LED work light for nighttime use and onboard storage for its adapters, so everything stays organized. With inflation pressure up to 830 kilopascals and a price of around $100 for the tool-only version, it's a handy tool to keep in your garage, workshop, or even your vehicle for emergencies. Random Orbit Sander. A rough finish can ruin an otherwise great project. The Makita XOB01Z Random Orbit Sander makes sanding faster and smoother with 3 speed settings and up to 11,000 OPM for efficient material removal. Its 1/8-inch random orbital action helps reduce swirl marks and leaves a more even surface, while the one-touch electronic controls make speed adjustments quick and easy. Whether you're refinishing furniture or preparing wood for paint, this sander delivers a clean, professional finish. At around $110 for the tool-only version, it's a solid upgrade for both DIYers and professionals. Cordless Chainsaw. If you want the cutting power of a gas chainsaw without the noise, fumes, or constant maintenance, the Makita XCU03Z cordless chainsaw is a fantastic choice. Powered by two 18-volt batteries for 36-volt equivalent performance, it delivers strong, reliable cutting for everything from trimming branches to cutting firewood. A brushless direct drive motor provides performance comparable to a 32 cubic centimeter gas chainsaw, while the 14-inch guide bar and chain speed of up to 3,940 feet per minute make quick work of tough cuts. The tool-free chain adjustment lets you tighten or replace the chain in seconds, saving time on the job. Priced at around $380 for the tool-only version, it's one of Makita's premium outdoor tools. If you're looking for a powerful, low-maintenance chainsaw with the freedom of cordless operation, this one is definitely worth the investment. Cordless Impact Driver. Driving long screws and stubborn fasteners is effortless with the Makita XDT13Z. Cordless impact driver. Despite its compact 5-inch design, it packs up to 1,500 inch-pounds of torque, making it powerful enough for demanding jobs while still fitting into tight spaces. Its brushless motor delivers speeds of up to 3,400 revolutions per minute and 3,600 impacts per minute, providing fast, efficient driving with less wear on the tool. Dual LED work lights improve visibility, while Extreme Protection Technology, XPT, helps keep the driver performing reliably in dusty and harsh job site conditions. At around $100 for the tool-only version, it's an excellent addition for anyone already using Makita's 18-volt LXT battery platform. Compact, powerful, and built to last, it's one of the best everyday tools you can keep. Handheld blower. Cleaning up leaves, sawdust, or job site debris shouldn't mean dealing with loud gas engines, messy fuel mixing, or constant maintenance. That's exactly why the Makita XBU02Z handheld blower has become a favorite among homeowners and professionals alike. It delivers the convenience of cordless power while offering the performance you'd normally expect from a gas-powered blower. Powered by two 18-volt batteries for 36-volt equivalent performance, this blower is equipped with a high-efficiency brushless motor that generates wind speeds of up to 120 miles per hour and an impressive 473 cubic feet per minute of airflow. Whether you're clearing a driveway, cleaning a workshop, or blowing debris off a lawn, it has more than enough power to get the job done quickly. Makita also gives you 6 variable speed settings, along with a responsive trigger, so you can fine-tune the airflow depending on the task. Use lower speeds for delicate areas like patios and flower beds, or crank it up when you need maximum power to move heavy, wet leaves or stubborn debris. Another standout feature is XPT, or Extreme Protection Technology, which helps protect the blower from dust and moisture. That means you can confidently use it in tougher outdoor conditions without worrying about reliability. At around $230 for the tool-only version, it isn't the cheapest blower on Amazon, but the combination of strong performance, cordless convenience, and low maintenance makes it a smart investment. If you're ready to leave noisy gas blowers behind without sacrificing power, this Makita blower is definitely worth considering. Jigsaw. If you've ever struggled to make clean curved cuts with a bulky saw, this Makita tool is exactly what you need. The Makita XVJ03Z Jigsaw is designed to give you smooth, accurate cuts while keeping the entire cutting process fast and effortless. Whether you're working on furniture, trim, plywood, or detailed woodworking projects, this cordless jigsaw gives you the freedom to move without being tied to an extension cord. Power comes from Makita's reliable 18-volt platform, and the variable speed motor delivers up to 2,600 strokes per minute, giving you plenty of control whether you're making slow precision cuts or powering through thicker materials. You also get 3 orbital cutting modes, plus a straight cut setting, so you can easily switch between aggressive cutting and fine finishing, depending on the material. One feature that really stands out is the tool-free blade change system. Instead of wasting time searching for extra tools, you can swap blades in just a few seconds and get right back to work. The precision-machined aluminum base keeps the saw stable throughout every cut, helping reduce vibration and leaving you with cleaner, more professional-looking results. If you're a DIY enthusiast tackling weekend projects or a professional who needs dependable cordless performance on the job site, this is one of those tools you'll appreciate every time you use it. At around $160 for the tool-only version, the Makita XVJ03Z offers an excellent balance of precision, convenience, and portability, making it a worthwhile addition to almost any workshop. Hammer drill drilling into concrete, brick, or masonry can quickly become frustrating if your drill doesn't have enough power. That's where the Makita XPH 14Z hammer drill stands out. Built for demanding jobs, this compact cordless drill combines impressive performance with excellent control, making it a great choice for both construction professionals and serious DIY users. At its core is Makita's high-efficiency brushless motor, producing up to 1,250 inch-pounds of torque. That means it has more than enough muscle for heavy-duty drilling, fastening, and driving large screws without slowing down. The 2-speed gearbox reaches up to 2,100 revolutions per minute, allowing you to switch between high-speed drilling and maximum torque, depending on the task. When it's time to tackle concrete or masonry, the hammer function really shines. Delivering up to 31,500 blows per minute, it powers through tough materials much faster than a standard drill, helping you finish projects with less effort and more confidence. Despite all that power, the drill features a compact 7-inch body, making it much easier to maneuver in tight corners, overhead spaces, or confined work areas where larger drills become difficult to handle. It's the kind of balance between power and portability that professionals appreciate on busy job sites. Priced at around $125 for the tool-only version, the Makita XPH 14Z offers outstanding value. If you're looking for one cordless drill that can handle everything from everyday woodworking to serious masonry work, this is a tool that's built to deliver reliable performance for years to come. Angle grinder. An angle grinder is one of those tools you rely on for cutting, grinding, and metal finishing, but only if it has enough power and the right safety features. The Makita X AG04Z angle grinder is built to handle demanding jobs while giving you better control and added peace of mind on the job site. At the heart of the tool is Makita's brushless motor, which delivers strong, consistent performance while running cooler and requiring less maintenance than traditional brushed motors. Whether you're cutting metal, removing rust, or smoothing rough edges, it provides the power needed to get the work done efficiently. One of its smartest features is automatic speed change technology, which continuously adjusts the grinder's speed and torque based on the workload. That means when you're pushing through tougher materials, the tool automatically delivers more power, while lighter jobs benefit from higher speeds for smoother results. Safety is another major highlight. The grinder is equipped with active feedback sensing technology, which automatically shuts off the motor if the grinding wheel suddenly binds or jams. This helps reduce the risk of kickback, giving you greater confidence and control during demanding cutting or grinding tasks. Despite its powerful performance, the tool remains compact and comfortable to handle, making it easier to work in tight spaces or during longer projects without excessive fatigue. With a price of around $160 for the tool-only version, the Makita XAG04Z offers an excellent balance of power, intelligent performance, and advanced safety features. If you're looking for a reliable cordless angle grinder that can handle everything from fabrication work to home renovations, this is one tool that's well worth adding to your collection. Portable vacuum cleaner. Cleaning up after a project shouldn't take longer than the project itself. If you're constantly dealing with tangled power cords just to pick up a small mess, the Makita DVC750LZ portable vacuum cleaner is a much more practical solution. Built for workshops, garages, job sites, and even vehicles, it delivers cordless convenience without compromising on suction power. Powered by Makita's 18-volt battery platform, this vacuum features a high-efficiency brushless motor that easily handles both dry debris and liquid spills, making it far more versatile than a standard shop vacuum. Whether you're cleaning sawdust, wood chips, dust, or accidental spills, it's designed to tackle the job with ease. The vacuum also includes a HEPA filter, which captures fine dust particles before they escape back into the air. That's especially useful when working with wood, drywall, or other materials that create large amounts of airborne dust, helping keep your workspace cleaner and healthier. Another highlight is its 7.5-liter capacity, allowing you to clean for longer before needing to empty the container. Combine that with up to 70 minutes of runtime on a single battery, and you've got a vacuum that's ready for extended cleanup sessions without constant interruptions. Priced at around $160 for the tool-only version, the Makita DVC 750LZ is an excellent addition to any workshop. If you want a portable vacuum that's powerful, easy to carry, and capable of handling both wet and dry messes, this one is definitely worth having in your tool collection. And that's my list of 10 new Makita tools on Amazon that are actually worth buying. Whether you're upgrading your workshop, tackling DIY projects, or working professionally, these tools offer the performance and reliability Makita is known for. So, which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want more reviews on the latest tools and tech, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.